Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these rechargeable submersible pool lights with remote control. This is the 4-pack. It is equipped with a built-in 2600 milliamp battery. Alright, so right here we have these submersible LED lights. This is the pack of 4. You have an option in the pack of 1, 2, or 4. So this can be installed underwater. So this right here just has its specs. So let's go ahead and dive into the box. So I know a lot of people had said that you cannot apply this to your pools underwater. I have done it, and I will show you later in the video that it does work underwater. So first off, we have the remote control. This changes the colors, the intensity. You've got flash, you've got on, off, lock. You got different modes in here. This one does have a timer ranging from 2, 4, and 6 hours. So you do get 2 USB chargers. These are a Type-C. So they are chargeable as long as you remove them from the pool. They can be recharged. So this one is a standard C-type charging cable. So here is the super glue. It is a white glue that is non-toxic. So you do get your user manual. This basically tells you about the buttons on there, how to apply the glue, how to apply it to your pool. So it says to make 3 little thin strips on the back of the plate so you can apply it to the wall of your swimming pool. It gives you 3 different options stating that it does work. So they have 4 built-in magnets, 2 plates to apply the glue. So here is the lights themselves. Like I said, this is a 4-pack. You can get it in a 1-pack, 2-pack, or a 4-pack. So here is the LED lights with 16 different colors. You've got brightness, intensity, RF control, IP68 waterproof. This has got 2600 milliamp lithium ion battery. So you'll take this glue on the back of the plate, put the glue on there, stick it to your wall, and then this piece right here, you just put it on in here. It fits in the holes, and it is magnetized, so it will magnet to the back of it. So this is not a charging port. The charging port is actually on the back right here. So this is the power button. You got to hold it down for 3 seconds for it to turn on. You can see that it is super bright. It offers in different colors. You got many colors to choose from. So there's red. You've got like an orange, a green, a blue, a teal, a purple pink, and a red. And then once you hit the last mode, it will actually flash all the colors. So one remote controls all 4 of these lights. And here is the second one. These are super easy to install. The glue is super sticky, so it will stick to your pool even though that the pool is in water. So it's suggested to apply 3 parallel lines, 1/5 of the glue to the sides of the texture. Press and hold it over 90 seconds. You must ensure the plate doesn't move and let go. So we're going to apply that later in the video. So I suggest at least letting it set in the pool 12 hours for it to cure, and then you can go ahead and put the lights on them. So here are the 4 lights. We're just going to all turn them on. The first step is the white color. This is the most brightest in the swimming pools. I prefer this color. You've got the red colors, you've got blue, you got teal. The last mode actually changed them simultaneously. So if you want to charge these, you have to remove these from the swimming pool and inside your house charge these. It does come with the 2 chargers, so you can charge 2 at a time. There's 8 different colors, 1 flashing. That's the button control. The remote control, steady color 16, brightness adjustable, 5 levels. The timers 2, 4, and 6. You've got flash, 2 for fade, 2 smooth. You got flash, fade, and smooth. So now you can see that these are flashing. So now this is what comes in the package. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these lights and I'm going to install them in my pool. But first I need to put the glue on the back of the plastic plates that stick to these lights. So right here we have the super glue. It does have a little punctured, so you can puncture the tube itself on the top. So you want 3 parallel lines. So now that we got that in, we're just going to install the plates. This is the first one. You want to make sure that you do hold it for about 90 seconds. I did hold this one for 90 seconds. So now I'm going to move on to the other 3 the panels. So we're just going to stick one right here. So we have one right here. So we have one on the front and the back on each side. Make sure to hold it down for 90 seconds so that the glue will stay. It will not slide down. So I'm going to move my way to the pool. Here's the other one. So this one as well is stuck to the side of the pool. Doesn't seem to be moving. So this works on above ground pools as well as below ground pools, soft sided pools. So here are the lights. It is now nighttime. We're going to turn them on. Got to hold them down for 3 seconds. And then when you want them to be on the pad, all you got to do is line it up with the little holes. And then it should just stay right on there because it is magnet. So they just stay just like that. Just make sure you line them up with the holes. So we have 3 other ones to do. So we're just going to put this one on. Okay, it just fits right in there just like that. And you can see there's one, the first one. Here's the third one. And now we're going to make our way to the last one. You can see the first and second. So here is the last one. And it just sits in there just like that. So it doesn't look that bright because I do have outside lights on that are kind of taking away the light. But you can see that one's the red one. The other one's the white one. The back one is a white one as well. This one here that I'm standing next to is a white one. So if you want to change the colors, you would just use the remote control to change them. I know the one that's flashing red, I had to go back in there and turn off the remote control totally so they can all be on the same color at once. So you can see all the 3 ones are blue, but that one right there in the front is green. So just click on the button that says off. It will turn them off. If it doesn't change, you can just go on to the pool light itself and change it to match it. And then when you turn it off, they will all come back the same color. But I just turned mine off and they all end up syncing together. So one remote control controls all 4 of them. So now that they're all on a white mode, again, I have my motion sensor lamps out in the back. So now they're off. You can see the red. Here's the green color. There's the blue. There's the switching. There's the purple and pink. So now I'm going to get a lot closer, make sure that my lights out back are turned off so you can see the full scale of how bright these are. I was going to go with 1 or 2, but 4 actually makes it really nice. This is a 24 by 52 inch swimming pool, so 4 of these ones completely lights up the pool. I'm going to have to turn off the lights as well as the camera flash so you can see how bright it is. Right now it doesn't look that bright, but when I turn off the flash and the backlight, it will actually come brighter. You can see it looks like some steam coming off the pool. So now I got the backlight off, the flash off. You can see how bright these lights look. It makes the pool so lidded. It looks really nice. So these work with above ground pools as well as below ground pools. The green one I didn't like because it made it look like it was dirty. The blue one was nice, so I either stick with the blue or the white color. The red wasn't too bright. You can set the intensity levels to bright or low light, which the blue looks really nice, but I prefer the white light. It looks more elegant. There's the white light right there. So if you guys are looking for any kind of pool lights that you can easily remove and don't have to go through the below ground pool with all the wiring, I would say definitely check these ones out. These are definitely worth the price. They're really nice, and when you want to charge them, all you have to do is remove it, charge it from a regular standard plug that you have in your house.